Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Review tab on Facebook business page. If you want customers to be able to leave feedback on your Facebook business page, this setting is what controls that feature. Turning it on allows other people to view and leave reviews on your page, which can help build trust and make your business look more active and credible. To begin, go to Facebook and make sure you are logged into the account that manages your business page. Once you're on the main Facebook screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile page icon. This opens the main account menu where Facebook keeps several account and page-related options. From that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This section contains the broader controls for your account and page experience. After that, click on Settings to open the full settings area. Depending on your screen size or whether you're using the latest Facebook layout, the page may look slightly different, but the option names should be very similar. When you arrive in Settings, move to the left-hand navigation panel and scroll down until you find Page and Tagging. Take your time here because the list can be fairly long. The review setting is located inside this section, so if you don't see it right away, continue scrolling until it appears. Once you find it, click on Page and Tagging. This opens the settings related to how people interact with your page, including tagging options and review visibility. Inside this section, look for the setting labeled Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. This is the control that adds or enables the review feature on your Facebook business page. Click on that setting to turn it on. Once enabled, visitors to your page will be able to see the Reviews section and leave their own feedback. If Facebook saves the change automatically, you're all set. If you see a Save button, make sure to click it before leaving the page. After updating the setting, it's a good idea to visit your business page and confirm that the Review tab or Review section is now visible. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or waiting a short moment for Facebook to update the change. And that's it. You've successfully enabled reviews on your Facebook business page, making it easier for customers to share their experiences and for future visitors to learn more about your business.